Here's how you can use ChatGPT to explain index funds to a 10-year-old. If you're trying to explain the index funds to a 10-year-old, or you just want to learn about index funds in the most basic wording, you can use ChatGPT for it. This is how you need to do it. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for ChatGPT. You'll need to log in or sign up. It is free, so go ahead and do it. Or you can also stay logged out, but your data won't be saved. Once you're on the main page, here you'll need to add the prompt. Just write, explain index funds in the most basic way possible that even a 10-year-old can understand. By giving out this prompt, ChatGPT will create the best explanation for you in the most basic words possible. As you can see, it has given you such a short explanation of index fund, like giving examples of cars, dolls, blocks, and action figures so that a 10-year-old can understand. If you don't understand anything from it, you can just ask it right away. Like, let's just say, for example, you don't know what are stocks. So just ask him, define stocks, and it will give you another explanation on stocks. This way you can ask the things that you don't understand from the main explanation. And that is how easily you can use ChatGPT in order to understand the index fund and also understand it in such basic wording that a 10-year-old can understand. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.